right, let's get back into Puss food. So people, if you have been following along, this is part two of Puss foods. I'm actually reading it from Puss Food and Other Jamaican Stories by Ditta Sylvester. So the actual story is called Puss Food. This is one of the short stories them that we are read currently. So we are gonna get into the next part. Remember, if you not read part one, if you not get the part one yet, please go back and like, share, comment, and look in the description. I put the link to the first video in this here description, everybody. So make we get into it again. It was a Sunday afternoon, and Miss Vicky decides that she'll go manage one meal and give it to Benji. Her nephew Leon carry the basket of goodies them and wrap them up in a one little towel and put it on top of him head. Vicky walk behind him as them go down at Mr. Benji house, Mass Benji house. The two of them find him. The two of them find him on the veranda with Aristotle in him lap, that are the Puss. Right? His genteel hand them a caress the cat as him welcome them with one big old smile upon his face. Evening, Miss Vicky, in call out. How the two of you are do? What go on? Not so bad, you know? Vicky replied. This is my nephew, Leon. How you doing? How you doing, Miss Ali? How you do, Miss Ali? Leon mumbled one little response, and the two of them climbed the steps to go up on the veranda. It was then that Vicky's eyes meet with Aristotle, and it was a mutual hate at first sight. For Benji's benefit, she decides she going put up one little smile and extend a hand to the pet. For pet the little puss. What a pretty little puss, Vicky glowed. Aristotle was a very large cat. Kitty, 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 I want name Benji. But Aristotle was no hypocrite. Before Benji could not reply, the cat responded with one loud, viciously, loud sound. And he must show him teeth them. And he scared the woman. Bumbo clad Vicky and them. She pull her hand back. And she gasped and take a step backward. Behave yourself, Puss, Benji yelled upon him. And I throw Aristotle to the floor. What wrong with you, Aristotle? But why you so feisty, Puss? I'm mad, you mad? Suppose you did scratch the lady. Come out of the place, man. Mad Puss. And don't come back here, sir. Aristotle walk away with him tail inna the ear, with no form of apology inna him stance. Vicky look pan Benji with one loving smile. With the puss inna the dog house. She look up on herself and start to think, say, yeah man, me get my first victory against Aristotle. And she happily spread out the food in front of her future husband. After she left, Mass Benji called Aristotle and start to scold him again. Then him get fed up. With what was left of this here meal. And Aristotle decides, say, him a go name the food. The following Sunday, Miss Vicky decides, say, she a go attend the funeral. So, Leon bring Mass Benji's dinner. Vicky did love funeral, Every minute she say she want go down a dead yard. Vicky did love funeral so much that she decided to call them dead party. Most people have to know at least somebody in the dead yard will belong to the deceased. In order for them to attend the funeral. Not Miss Vicky. All she did need to know when and where the party take place so she can go down a dead yard. Vicky did have 4 funeral frock. 1 black, 1 white, 1 purple, and the last one mixed up with black, white, and purple. Remember them colors, the people. So let's see now. Having heard that Aristotle like her cooking, She sent him one special little piece of the food in a one calabash. She did even scratch him name. Scratch the name Harry on the side of the calabash. Mind you, the post name Aristotle. And she go scratch on the side of the calabash Harry. You see the foolishness was going. Alright. Mas Benji was deeply touched by the gesture. He was relieved and happy that Vicky did quickly forgive Aristotle and his bad behavior. The food was beautiful. Vicky did outdo herself. Mas Benji, Mas Benji's niggeritis. The itis licking blood clot. Mas Benji catch the itis and the itis licking blood clot. And him did begin and he soon start. He soon start to settle down himself after he done yamming food. So the man decides him to go sleep and settle down for the Sunday evening, right? Later on, in the night time around 8 o'clock, Benji I discover say that the puss not even touching food. Benji warm up the food in the calabash and give the food to the puss so the puss can yam the food. Aristotle could talk. If Aristotle could talk, he would not tell him a master say the food on the table different from that in the calabash. Remember that. And that it never smell right. And so he had not investigated the matter himself while Benji was asleep. And while he was at it, he had helped himself to a good portion of the leftovers with it left on the table, so he was fine. Benji eventually gave up and turned in for the night, but it was necessary. It would be necessary to stretch the imagination to the limits for attempt mass Benji's bowls that night. The poor man nearly dead. Never before did him ever did have to run go a toilet so fast. And Aristotle couldn't help him, couldn't help him one bit. But nobody could prove that Vicky had anything to do with Miss Linda's passing. Her attempt on Aristotle's life was the talk of Cabbage Cut for months. Benji never looked on her ever again. And her later attempts at snagging a husband proved fruitless. So let's see.